What's up, guys? Today is the day we are going to get this section here to look like this section here. Remember, this section here is our control, and we had several coats and multiple coats of wax and polish on this one. So here we are. We're gonna go down here to this section and make it our second coat here. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna check out the buffer that we got. Wax on, wax off. Little guy, he's gonna be doing the videotaping. So, guys, hang on tight, sit back, and enjoy the ride.
Look at that. It's pretty clean.
Alright guys, check this out. See right here, this section that we just did, that's got 2 layers on it now. Look at that reflection out. It's not as great as our control yet. But that control down here has had multiple coats just to see where it would get us to get it to looking like this. You can still kind of see where we're at. But look at the shine that we got. And we got another layer here drying. And little man will take over the buffer, what he can reach. And then here's what we've got on our first coat still. We're going light to light. So here's another round of buffing. Give it a few more minutes to dry. See what we can do. Maybe look at that shine. And he's gonna do what he can reach, and what he can't reach, I'll finish out. We might have to move the ladder here in a minute. Oh yeah. Look how shiny that is. You can see his reflection whenever he gets it all off there. Oh, he got it. He got all the way to the top. Look at that shine. Oh yeah, that looks great. You need to move the ladder?
Yeah.
Alright. He's starting to see his reflection again. It's so satisfying. Oh yeah, guys, check that out. Look at this shine that we got going on. Right down the side of the trailer, you can see the reflection of the field. And we'll be done with this bottom half tonight. Check this out, it's drying there on this side. You see his reflection again. You just go all the way down here. That is crazy. Alright guys, check this out all the way down. We got it before dark.
That was really close.
Look how shiny that is, all the way down to the end.
Still got a sticker on there, but that doesn't hurt.
I'll back this out here where you can see the difference of the 2 coats to the 1 coat.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys, that's incredible. If you're enjoying what you're seeing,
Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
see you on the next one, guys. See ya.